Hey guys, Gustavo here, and today we're going to be making a cheese and ham toastie, because I love toasties, and even though I don't know how to cook, yeah, I would love to share what I make. Now, of course, on this Turkish roll, we are going to be putting on some butter first, because butter makes everything good. Next step. Of course, we gotta get the cheese. It ain't a cheese toastie without the cheese, am I right, fellas? Okay guys, and now we're on to the ham. I love ham. Honey ham is the best ham, but of course, any ham of your choice is good. Now we go to the spices. Any spices you like really work, you know. I usually go with black pepper, Italian herbs, and of course some paprika. Smoked paprika, baby. And now it's time to cook it like we cooked blues. Okay guys, and into the, I think it's called a breville, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. And usually I leave it in for the amount of time it takes me to clean up my workspace. We are ready to see the results. Hopefully it's a nice crispy roll with, I guess, a nice melted insides. Of course, make sure to cut it with the incorrect knife. And there you have it. A yummy, yummy cheese toastie. Let's have a bit, shall we? Delicious. Gustavo out.